It is exam season, so we are going to talk about how to pass your exams. Stay tuned. Amanda here from createyourfuture.co. So today this video is about how to pass your exams. Yeah, so if you haven't already subscribed, definitely subscribe. Hit the bell icon below because I do put out new videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday. Each one of them designed to help you create something wonderful in your life. So it's exam season. We want to pass our exams, and this video is going to help you to do just that. So the biggest thing about passing an exam is your self-talk. What's your mental diet? Okay. You want to make sure that your mental diet is all focused on, I am good enough. I am calm when I take exams. I recall the information. I feel prepared. I am going to do good. I always do good at taking tests. I'm going to create A's. Okay, I always get straight A's. So what you really want to do, and here's the exercise, is take a piece of paper and write down all your limiting beliefs about taking exams. So maybe one of them is going to be, you know what, I always get anxious when I take an exam. I forget all the material I know. Maybe that's another one. And you write them all out, and then one by one you change them into a positive intention. Okay. So I always get anxious when I take exams. Cross that out. I intend to feel calm when I take exams. I'm always calm when I'm taking an exam. I forget the material. I always recall all the material easily and effortlessly when I'm taking the exam. When I take exams, I feel good. I feel prepared. Okay. So you want to go through all of that, and then you're going to probably notice that 2 or 3 of them are the big ones that you say to yourself a lot. So you want to take those 3 intentions and create it into a mantra. So one would be really good is, I always get straight A's. I feel calm and I feel prepared when I take tests. And I'm going to ace this test because I recall the material easily and effortlessly, and I am good enough. Okay. Now, that's the mantra you want to keep. And you also want to be on a good mental diet to avoid entertaining any other negative thoughts. Okay. So if you get a negative thought thinking, oh, maybe I won't finish the exam in time. No, I intend to finish the exam on time. I intend to get an A on this exam. I intend to be calm when I take this exam. Pardon me. Right. I intend. Okay. The other thing is, right, is avoid creating the negative story with your friends, your school friends, okay, or your family, okay. So you want to avoid getting into a conversation where you're like, oh, your friend says, I'm so nervous about the test tomorrow, I don't feel like I've had enough time to study. And you definitely want to avoid agreeing with them and saying, yeah, me too. No, in those situations you want to keep on your mental diet. Yes, I feel prepared. Actually, I do feel prepared. I have studied enough. I feel like I'm going to do really, really well on the test. I'm going to be calm when I take this test. Okay. So you want to avoid recreating what you don't want with people, because not only do you have to say your intentions in your head and constantly be on a mental diet of thinking positive about taking the exams, you also want to be careful what you're saying to other people, because you're also creating it verbally as well. So, when you say your mom calls you up and says, oh, your test is tomorrow, how do you feel? Do you feel prepared? Yes, I feel prepared. I feel good. I feel like I'm going to do good. I intend to ace this. I'm going to be on top of it. Okay. So yeah, that's that's what I would suggest doing in a nutshell. And you can also create that you've got an excellent memory. I actually do that. I've been creating that I have a photographic memory for years now, and I do have a photographic memory. So that's really, really cool. I also create that I'm an amazing problem solver, and I solve problems like that. So you can create different traits within yourself. I create that I'm confident and I've got charisma and I'm funny, and people tell me that all the time. So you can create any traits that you want in yourself. So you can create that you're calm when it comes to taking tests, that you always do good on tests, right? So yeah, take a piece of paper, write out all your negative thoughts, doubts, limiting beliefs about taking tests, cross them out one by one, and create an intention, the opposite intention, and then find yourself a mantra of your main ones. And usually that'll be, from my experiences, oh, I'm nervous when I take tests. You would change that to, I'm always calm, comfortable, and confident when it comes to taking tests, and I always get really, really good grades. And that's because I'm good enough. Anyways, that's my video for today. I intend for each and every one of you guys taking exams to get an A on them. Anyways, thank you for liking, commenting, and subscribing and getting A's on your exams. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.